So you guys can see there is no any indication for the no follow or no referral. You guys can see this is a 100% do follow and the contextual backlink. So you guys can create your web 2.0 on that website. Okay. Hello guys, my name is Parv Yadav and welcome to our channel. So today I'm going to show you the one website. The website can providing a web 2.0 submission. So the website name is fo.ru and you guys are able to see this website having a 71 domain rating. And now I'm going to show you the website nature. So you guys can see this website having a 16.5k total visitors and the traffic from Russia, Kazakhstan, Belarus, Spain, and the USA. So if you guys can want to attract an audience from that kind of country, so you guys have to publish your content over there. The website name is fo.ru. Okay. So this is a website interface. So then you guys have to convert a website language according to your preference, where you guys have to click to create a site for free. Okay, so if you guys, I can show you the website how you guys can see the interface, because I have already registered now on that website. There is no any requirement to you guys can fill, only you guys can fill your email ID. I can show you the where you guys can fill your email ID. So you guys can convert again your website language, and then there is an option to register now, and you guys can see there you guys have to put your email ID, then you guys can redirect for that interface, because I have already created, so that's why they can show us for the flash files. Okay, so once you guys can submit your email ID, then you guys have to click for the register button, then you guys can redirect for that interface. Okay, you guys can see this interface, then you guys have to click your profile, then you guys have to update your profile information. There is an option that then you guys can add your brand name. Okay, then you guys have to click for the save button. Okay, the things is they can only English letter and numbers. Okay, we can going to add if they can catch. Yeah, so we have created our account name, and where you guys can put your password, and you guys can click for the save. If you guys cannot do these things, then you then they can send you a email where your email ID and the password is automatic generated. Okay, so once you guys have to complete this this interface. Okay, then you guys can click for the my site button, and then you guys can click for the create a new site, and there where you guys can choose your template according to your requirement. Okay, so we can going to consider a simple template, so we can choose this one. Okay, so once you guys can complete, then we can going to first we can remove a logo, my file, where we can going to add given a place. Okay, is there any option to we can remove my file flicker? Upload image. Yeah, you guys have to upload your brand name, a brand logo. So we can going to choose from our gallery, and then we can going to apply now. So you guys can see the our logo is converted now, and according to your requirement you guys can resize this logo button. And now we can going to remove a banner image also. So how we have to do, we can going to setting, and there is any option content image. Okay, RGB background image. Yeah, we can remove a background image from there. Now you guys have to change, we can going to upload again from our gallery. So these are our Glen recruiter team. We can going to add now, when then can set image. So you guys can see we have a successfully added a background image. There we can add something from our website. Glean recruiters, best recruiters in Canada. Glean recruiters, best recruiters in Canada. We can add, no, what we can do, best recruiters in Canada. We can going to we have choosed and sorry, we can remove this text. Yeah, RECRUI recruiters. My God, what's happening? R E, I don't know why. We can remove and we can try to modify again. And we can going to add a link. These links for our website link we have added. When we can going to apply now, so we have created our button also, and then you guys can modify the best agency in Canada. Now I can going to add a little bit content from through my website. For you case, you guys can generate a fresh content, because I'm doing these things for the video creation, because I don't want to this video can going for the a lengthy. So that's why I'm doing these things. Then you guys can optimize all the your requirement, which kind of content you guys can wanting. Then you guys can modify. That interface is very simple. You guys can click and the modify, and you guys can uh, publish your content according to your requirement. Okay, so suppose that if you can complete these things, then you guys can, and there is an option, so you guys can add your external address. There you guys can add your backlinks. Okay, we have applied now, and you guys, and now we can going to click for the publish button, so you guys can see, go to website. We have published now, and we can see, so you guys can see that our website is live now. And if we I can show you that this is a no follow or do follow backlink. So you guys can see there is no any indication for the no follow or no referral. You guys can see This is a 100% do follow and the contextual backlink. So you guys can create your web 2.0 web 2.0 on that website. Okay, so if you guys are watching till and so thanks for the watching guys, and if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me, suggestion for you, so you guys have to share your thoughts on a comment section. And if you guys can want to connect with me on social media, so you guys can follow me over the website. I can provide my social details on the bottom of the video description section. Okay, so for the last thing, I wanted to request with you guys one thing. So if you guys can want to connect with me and help me something, so you guys can hit the subscribe button and like button, because these things can motivate me to create a rapidly videos for you guys. So if you guys can really want to help me, so you guys can hit the subscribe button, because these things I'm not doing at the starting of the videos, because I don't want to irritate, I don't want to create any kind of irritation for you guys. So that's why if you guys can watching till end, so that's why I'm asking you, so you guys can want to help me something, so you guys can hit the subscribe button. Okay guys, so bye bye, take care.